Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica and I'm a part-time reseller on the Poshmark app, and I make content on YouTube regarding Poshmark and how to increase your sales. I also do have quite a bit of videos in regards to health and fitness, so please feel free to check those out as well. My Poshmark closet name is Jess Ekin, Jessekin, and I will have that in the description box below as well. So welcome to my video. Today I'm going to talk only about Poshmark, and I'm going to talk all about sharing your closet. Now this is something that is extremely important if you are trying to increase your sales on Poshmark. It's probably the #1 best thing to do in order to grab attention for those on Poshmark. If you are familiar with the app, you know that there's millions of people on this app, people all over the country, always looking for clothing that they can get at a reduced price compared to the retail price. So the whole concept is to try and sell something and make a profit off of it, off of the app. Now the app, just keep this in mind, the app does take 20% of your earnings. And if it's under, I believe if it's under $15 for the item, they take a flat $2.95. It's either under $10 or under $15. If you know the answer, comment below so others can know as well, and myself. But anyways, back to what I was saying. So this video is probably going to be more for people that are newer to the app, because I just wanted to talk about the whole point of sharing, how to do it, and I'm going to show you guys straight from my computer. Alright guys, here is my Poshmark closet from my laptop. I have a MacBook Pro laptop, and I'm also going to show you from my phone as well. But I just wanted you guys to see how to share from the desktop if you have a laptop or a desktop computer. So, need to focus. Okay, so you're going to hit My Closet, which is the first tab. When you hit that drop down button, you click My Closet, and I apologize because my internet is being really slow right now. I need to change my banner because it still says Merry Christmas on it. This is my photo. It just says my name, and I am a Poshmark ambassador, so I just put that up there. I accept all reasonable offers. I put that there too. Now here is my closet. So it shows me, scroll down, like you see all of my items. This is my, I do have like a little sign here, everything must go, send me any offer. So these are all my items. Now this button, right, I can zoom, right here is the share button. This is a comment and this is a like. So you're going to click this share. Now it's going to give you two options. You can share to my followers. Now right now there is a party happening, so you can share to party happening now. This is the party, Best in Jackets and Coats party. So just for the sake, I'm going to share to my followers. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to share to the party. No matter what, like if you share to the party right now, it's going to share to your followers too, so I'm pretty sure. So either one works. But anyway, so that's how you do it. So I typically can do it like pretty quick now. I just go like through every single item, to my followers, to my followers. And guys, you're literally doing this for every single item. That's what I'm saying, it like might take a while at first just to get used to it, but that is how you share from your computer, is just that little square in the right hand corner, and just scroll down and you keep sharing. You're going to want to put your best items at the top. Now real quick, to share it on your phone, you're going to go to My Closet, and here are all of my items. I can zoom. And you're going to click the same thing like the desktop, the party's at the top, share, desktop, to my followers, what am I saying? Share to the party. Oh, that doesn't go with the party. Okay, it's not a jacket or a coat. And then just to my followers. See, it's a lot longer. Oh my gosh. It's it's a lot longer to do on your phone. That's why I like doing it on the desktop. But I just wanted to show you guys like how you can do it. You can also click on your item. You can also go to edit, next, list. A lot of people do this. They think you can also like share it to the party, but this one doesn't match the party description. A lot of people think that edit next list helps make it like even more fresh at the top of your listing. Some people say it doesn't work, so I want to find a jacket or a coat so you guys can see. I might not actually have a jacket or a coat in here. I have a blazer. But edit next list. Oh, that did count. So I just want to show you real quick. So when I hit edit and then I hit next, you see it's like green. I can do that toggle button and it will share to my party list. But anyway, so that's how you share from your phone. So my closet, and then it'll show you like all the items that I just shared are at the top. So that's how you share from your phone, and that's how you share from your desktop. And how I personally share my closet. So to go back and start from the beginning, so your closet is everything that you're selling. So people say, this is my closet, I'm going to share your closet. It's all of your items in your closet that you're listing. So the most important thing to do for people to see your listing is to share your own listing in your closet, and Poshmark will send you a notification on when the parties are happening, so you won't ever have to miss out on those parties. But anyways, so yes, sharing to those parties may be great, but really sharing at any time throughout the day is the best. I would suggest sharing your closet, each item. When I say share your closet, I mean share each item, like individually go share. They do not have the option to share your whole closet at once, and I don't think they ever will, just because it would be very unfair and not an even playing field, because some people have a lot of listings and some people have only 10 because they're new to the app. But anyways, you want to share every single listing in your closet. Now, to kind of make sense of this, the whole reason why you are sharing your closet is to get your listing at the very top of the search. So, for example, this is the easiest way I've been able to describe it. So, if I'm a customer, I am looking for a pair of Tory Burch brown flats. When I go into Poshmark and I search under listings, I search Tory Burch brown flats, hundreds of these are going to pop up. There's going to be, and I'm specifically putting in my size, so I'm an 8.5, so I'm going to put that in. Hundreds of listings are coming up. So the listing that's at the very top is going to be the person that literally just shared their item seconds ago. When you share your item, it goes to the very top of any listing. So I'm no longer the consumer in this example. I am the seller. I am sharing on my closet. I have a pair of Tory Burch flats. I hit share to my followers. It's also going to go not only to my thousands of followers that I have, but anyone who searches for that item. So I click share on my Tory Burch brown flats. Let's say the consumer right now is going Tory Burch flats. All of a sudden, my listing that I had just shared seconds ago, they're going to see it first. So that goes with any item. So let's say I have a Club Monaco sweater dress. Club Monaco sweater dress, just shared. Someone goes, oh, I'm looking for a Club Monaco sweater dress for my holiday party. Automatically, that's the first item they saw because I just shared it. That is why it's so important to share throughout the day, because at any moment, the thousands of people that are on this app could be searching for your item. And that only happens when you share your own item. For example, if a person, someone else shares your item, so if Sally Lou shared my Tory Burch brown flats, it doesn't matter. It would not go to the top of any listing. It would only get shared to her followers. So if she had 20,000 followers, the Tory Burch flats that she just shared from my closet would go to her 20,000 followers. So it is great that someone is sharing your closet because that item, someone else is going to see that. But if I share my own closet, that is going to make the listing go all the way to the top, and all of my thousands of followers are going to see that listing. So it's not just her followers that are seeing it, but if I do my own, the listing, it goes to the top of the listings and all of my thousands of followers. So it's way better for you to share your own closet than for someone else to share your closet. Yes, you may get a sale from someone else sharing your item to thousands of people, but the people that are really shopping, the consumer on Poshmark, most likely is shopping by searching for a specific item. They're not scrolling through their feed, oh, that looks cool, I want to buy that. I don't know the percentage, but in my own mind, I would say probably 75% of consumers, that just makes sense to me, about 75 of them are probably typing in Tory Burch handbag. They're not just scrolling through their feed. They're specifically looking for items that they want to find at a reduced price. That's why sharing your own listing is so crucial, and it's the best way. It's truly the best way to get noticed on the Poshmark app. And that's why people only purchase, like if you're a reseller and you're thrifting, or if you're doing wholesale, you're only going to purchase stuff that is trendy because people are always searching for it and they're gonna buy it from you. People aren't, I mean, it really depends on the customer. I shouldn't say that people aren't searching for certain brands, because some people still love Aeropostale, some people still love PacSun, and some of the brands that in my eyes aren't as popular anymore, but there is always something out there that someone will purchase. So I shouldn't say that someone won't buy that, but typically if you are looking for wholesale items or you're thrifting, you're going to want to pick something that's really trendy right now, like Patagonia, Anthropologie, Urban Outfitters, that boho chic trend right now. That stuff is really selling, and people are literally thousands and thousands and thousands of people are searching for those kind of items every single day. So that's my biggest piece of advice if you're trying to increase your sales on Poshmark, is to share your own items at least, and all of them, at least 3 times a day, at the very least. Now, it really depends also on how many listings you have in your closet. So I only have active listings, I only have probably 150. I think the key is really to have at least 200, so I really need to step up my game on the listing part. But sharing your own closet can take a lot of time, especially if you're doing it at least 3 times a day. Some people have 700 listings, some people have 1,000 listings, so that can take quite a bit of time, at least an hour, breaking it up throughout the day to share all of your items on Poshmark. But if you put in that effort to share those items, people are searching for what you have every single day, every single hour, and if your listing is at the very top, they're most likely going to click on that item. That's just what I've experienced through not sharing my closet throughout the month of December. I lost so much money that I probably could have made, versus in October and November I killed it for myself as a part-time reseller. I made times 7 the amount in October and November than I did in December. So it was all because of the sharing. I did not share anywhere near as much as I did October and November compared to what I did in December. I really dropped the ball in December. So my goal for January, and I kind of talked about it in my goal video, is really increasing the amount of times I share my closet per day all of my items. It's just really crucial. So if you are new to Poshmark, please share your closet if you're trying to sell. I almost made it through the whole video without my camera dying. I don't know why this camera always wants to die on me, but that was basically everything that I wanted to say to you guys about how important it is to share your closet. I apologize that I had to kind of cut this video short, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that it all made sense to you as far as sharing your closet and why it's so important. I know it's tedious, I know it's kind of a lot of work, but it's so worth it, and I promise you, you'll see an increase in sales. I promise, I promise, I promise. But that is all I have for y'all today. I will be bringing a lot more Poshmark videos to you. Please check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. By just clicking the video button. If you would like to see more Poshmark related videos or health and fitness related videos, please hit that subscribe button in red below. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or if you enjoyed this content, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for joining. Have a great day, guys. Bye.